Everyone thinks that everyone else has it figured out. But guess what? Here's a secret. Nobody has it figured out. I hated golf growing up. Thought it was daddy's sport with his friends. It wasn't until I actually met in person Natalie Golpis. So my dad took me to an LPGA tournament when I was about 11 years old. And she was a tall blonde girl. I'm tall and blonde, so I just kind of saw myself in her. I really probably owe a lot of my golf career to her, and she knows this. It's kind of cool. I've been able to meet her now and tell this story, which it's really cool that we can share that bond now. I was like the star player in high school, which was pretty cool for me, and it helped grow my love for the game. Because in high school, it's not super competitive. There was this show on the Golf Channel called The Big Break. My whole thought process was, okay, once I graduate college, I'm going to apply for the Big Break. I'm gonna get on the Big Break. I'm going to either win it and maybe try to play professionally, because why not? Or I would not win, and then I would end up going to work either on air for Golf Channel or maybe work in PR for some sort of company. Really, on air was kind of my first passion. It was about my junior year of college, they decided to get rid of Big Break. My plan, it shot out the window, so I was like, okay, time for plan B. And I ended up creating my blog, nikkibgolf.com, and I decided to kind of take matters into my own hands. And it was really a way for me to start getting good on camera and to kind of build a rapport for myself and build a resume that people could look at. There's not a lot of people at the top because not a lot of people are willing to work to get there. While I've been blogging on the side and doing social media and building a name for myself, I have worked in property management. I was an online personal stylist. I was a kickboxing trainer. I have done so many different things just to make a stable, steady income while pursuing my dream on the side. Nobody sees that. There's no single road to get to where you want to go. Have I ever thought about quitting? Of course I have. Oh my gosh, there has been so many times, and I'm grateful to my parents, my awesome husband, my awesome in-laws, my extended family, all my close friends. I know they always say it takes a village to raise a baby, but it also takes a village to keep you on your path and keep you going after your dreams. I think it's really important to look back and reflect and see how far you've come. I actually had a good friend, her name is Raquel. There was one moment where I was, complaining and telling her I'm gonna throw in the towel, I'm gonna give up. And she kind of got on me and she said, your goal was to be on Golf Channel and you've done that within 3 years of being out of college. Not a lot of people can say that. I would definitely say reflection and having a good support system around you is very important for not giving up and throwing in the towel. Whatever you do, don't compare your journey to anyone else's and create your own path. Hi, I'm Nikki B, and I'm unorganized and lost.